Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of skincare. Now, if you've been struggling with dullness and are dreaming of that dewy, glowing complexion, then this video is just for you. Today, I'll share some of the best masks you absolutely must try to achieve that radiant skin you've been longing for. So, grab your skincare notebooks, and let's get glowing. Number 1, the importance of a glow. First, let's talk about why a glowing complexion is so important. A radiant glow not only enhances our natural beauty, but it also signifies healthy skin. Think about it, when your skin is glowing, you're more likely to feel confident. Whether you're going to work, meeting friends, or going on a date, that glow can give your face a fresh, youthful appearance. So, how do we achieve this? Let's jump into the masks. Mask number 1, the Hydrating Gel Mask. First up, I want to introduce you to a holy grail product in my skincare routine, the Hydrating Gel Mask. This gem is infused with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera, making it incredibly soothing while delivering an intense burst of hydration. After just one application, I noticed my skin felt plumper, and the dullness faded away. Trust me, applying this mask before bed will make you wake up glowy and refreshed. Mask number 2, the Brightening Clay Mask. Next on our list is the Brightening Clay Mask. Now, I know what you're thinking, clay masks can be drying, right? Wrong. This particular formula uses kaolin clay along with vitamin C and licorice extract. It detoxifies my skin while providing essential nutrients for that illuminated effect. I love doing this mask on a Sunday, it sets me up perfectly for the week ahead. Mask number 3, the Exfoliating Charcoal Mask. Thirdly, we have the Exfoliating Charcoal Mask. Charcoal is renowned for its purifying properties, but this version also contains gentle exfoliants like microbats and lactic acid, which means you'll get a deeper clean without stripping your skin. After I use this mask, my skin feels so smooth, and the glow is just remarkable. It's perfect for those moments when you want to seriously pamper yourself. DIY Mask, Avocado and Honey Mask. Now, for the lovely DIY enthusiasts, let me share a simple yet effective recipe for a glowing complexion. All you need is 1 ripe avocado and 2 tablespoons of honey. Mash the avocado and blend it with the honey until you get a smooth paste. This mask is rich in healthy fats and antimicrobial properties. Trust me, your skin will feel nourished and glowing in just 15 minutes. Finally, remember that achieving a glowing complexion isn't just about masks. It involves a holistic approach, including hydration, a balanced diet, and a consistent skincare routine. Always patch test new masks and listen to your skin. I hope you found this video helpful and are excited to try out these glowing masks. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and skincare tips. Share your favorite glowing masks in the comments below. Until next time, stay radiant.